Ever wondered how to make the perfect Thai basil beef every single time? Let's dive in!
Thai basil beef, known as Pad Kra Pao or Pad Gra Prow, is a popular Thai stir-fry featuring tender beef, aromatic holy basil, and spicy chilies. This dish is celebrated for its bold flavors and quick preparation, making it a favorite in Thai cuisine.
Thai basil beef, origin, history, and story.
Origin: Thai basil beef, known in Thailand as Pad Kra Pao, Pad Kra, is a quintessential Thai street food dish. The name translates to stir-fried holy basil, highlighting the prominence of holy basil, Ocimum tenuiflorum, in the recipe. Traditionally, this dish features minced or thinly sliced meat, commonly pork or chicken, stir-fried with garlic, chilies, and holy basil leaves. The use of beef is a variation that has gained popularity both in Thailand and internationally.
History. The exact origins of Pad Kra Pao are not well documented, but it has been a staple in Thai cuisine for decades, if not longer. The dish exemplifies the Thai culinary principles of balancing flavors: spicy, savory, and aromatic. Traditionally, Pad Kra Pao is made with holy basil, which imparts a distinct peppery and slightly anise-like flavor. However, outside of Thailand, holy basil can be challenging to find, leading to substitutions with Thai basil, Ocimum basilicum var thersiflorum, or even sweet basil, Ocimum basilicum. While these substitutions alter the flavor profile, they still result in a delicious and aromatic dish.
Story of the dish. Pad Kra Pao is more than just a meal. It's a reflection of Thai culture and the country's rich culinary heritage. Often enjoyed as a quick, satisfying lunch or dinner, it's commonly served over jasmine rice and topped with a fried egg, kai dao, adding richness to the spicy stir-fry. The dish's simplicity and robust flavors have made it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Its adaptability has led to various versions, including those with seafood, tofu, or different types of meat, catering to diverse palates. Today, Thai basil beef is enjoyed worldwide, bringing a taste of Thailand's vibrant street food culture to many.
This dish is a game changer.
Today we're making Thai basil beef, a delicious and aromatic dish.
That's a staple in Thai cuisine.
We'll be using fresh ingredients and authentic techniques
To bring out the best flavors.
Get ready to cook like a pro.
Let's start by preparing our ingredients.
For the stir-fry, you'll need 1 pound of thinly sliced beef sirloin or flank steak,
2 tablespoons of vegetable oil,
5 cloves of minced garlic,
3 to 5 finely chopped Thai bird's eye chilies,
1 small thinly sliced onion,
1 thinly sliced red bell pepper.
and 1 cup of fresh Thai holy basil leaves.
For the sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce,
1 tablespoon of oyster sauce,
1 tablespoon of fish sauce,
1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce,
and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a small bowl.
Now that everything is ready, we're all set to cook.
Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat.
Add the minced garlic and chopped chilies.
Stir fry for about 20 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn them.
Increase the heat to high and add the sliced beef to the wok.
Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the beef is browned and cooked through.
If using onion and bell pepper, add them to the wok and stir-fry for an additional 2 minutes until they are slightly tender but still crisp.
Pour the prepared sauce over the beef and vegetables if added.
Stir well to ensure everything is evenly coated.
Cook for another minute to allow the flavors to meld.
Add the fresh Thai holy basil leaves to the wok.
Stir fry briefly until the basil is wilted and fragrant, about 30 seconds.
Remove from heat and serve immediately over steamed jasmine rice. For an authentic touch, top each serving with a fried egg.
Enjoy your delicious Thai basil beef.
And there you have it, Thai basil beef that's bursting with flavor.
If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe.
Share your creations with me on Instagram and tag me at your YouTube channel. I'd love to feature your dish in my next video.
Stay tuned for more authentic recipes and tips. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a good day ahead.